Ngatho ni undu wa gucoka debate hiu ni atuthuka a Kenya makiruta mawoni mao uhoro-ini uyu wigi Damas Spears na brother yake Boni gukorwo na bara cia gibiacara. Mutheki Ngei uria urakorirwo akinyita Boni guoko hindi ya kuri brand branch ino irehete uhoro thengia wake gukorwo na uthu na Dama, onake akorwo agitonyio gatagati wa bara ino kuria a Kenya makorwo makiruta mawoni mao uhoro wigi Dama gukorwo akiaria uria arakiaririe muthenya wa ira ni undu wa brother yake Boni, na Ngei uria aragikorwo akiaria muthenya wa ira kionekana taramurika Dama. Uyu gwetwo Jamlik Junior arauga Shori wa Spears wanted Boni to work under her forever in the name of a family. She wanted to recruit this man to hate Guka wa Nairobi Mutheki Ngei because of their differences. Akiuga toxic people are toxic whether they are family or not. Growth is inevitable. Akira Boni go and conquer the world. Jamlik akionekana go support Boni gutania na sister yake na akorwo akirugamia, no uyu agikorwo agicokeria Jamlik akimwira Jamlik, to imagine bringing your sibling to your business and after supporting them they rebrand what you put in place without consulting you and tend to befriend your enemies and take advice from them. Nobody can withstand such hurt. Ndio mawoni maku ni mariku megie dereti ino yagikorwo igituthuka a Kenya makinyita mwena umwe uyu wa Dama na angi makinyita mwena uyu ungi wa Boni, makira ati Boni ni agirire gwika uguo arekire na ni agirire kwirugamia gibiacara, no angi makiuga ndareka wega tondu ni karia nime ga sister yake. Uyu akiuga mtegemea chanduguye hufa maskini. Siblings feel entitled and often mistake generosity for inheritance, and this makes it hard to help a sibling. Mtu arithi baba yake sio ndugu zake. Ni maoni mana makorwo makirutwo ni a Kenya. Ndio maoni maku ni muriku? Tucemanie down the comment section na ndukariganirwo ni turn on your notification niguo hingo ciothe ugakoragwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo ni video citu.